Guys, gawa ako ng hipon, guys. Sutanghon, guys. Garlic, sibuyas, guys. Gisa mo yan, guys. I-fry mo kunti, guys. Ilagay mong carrots, guys. Ilagay mong carrots, guys. I-fry mo kunti ang carrots, guys. Fry mo kunti. I-fry mo siya, guys. Nilagay ko ng paminta, guys, at saka asin, guys. Wala nakuha sa video, guys. Okay lang siya, guys. Basta masarap siya, guys. Diba? Lagyan kong tubig, guys, kasi soft siya, guys. Yung sutanghon nga soft. May sabaw. Lagay ko yan, guys. Mag-boil na siya, guys. Boil na siya, guys. Ilunod na siya, guys. Ilagay mo ng sutanghon, guys. Yan, guys. Sutanghon. Ayan. Yan, guys. Buka na ng kunti. Kain na dayan. Guys, bawal na siya, guys. Ilagay mo ang vegetable, cabbage. Yan, guys. I-mix mo siya, guys, para maano siya, guys, naluto. Yan, i-mix mo siya, guys. So, yummy, guys. Tapos na siya, guys. Lagyan mo ng onion, guys. Spring roll. Thank you for watching, guys. Love you. Hello, guys. Luto ako ng sutanghon, hipon, garlic, onion, carrots. Sutanghon. Mag-fry na lamas, guys. I make sutanghon. Put oil, olive oil.